My virtual swag box from Sephora just arrived today. Want to go through it with me? Sephoria! Initially, I wasn't planning on going to Sephoria in person, so I ordered the virtual swag box. And it was $65, and with tax and with shipping and with fees, I think it was about $80 maybe. But so we'll see if this is worth $80 and fun, because I like getting stuff. So I got the special souvenir keepsake, Sephoria. I did not see these there in person, so these are only available in the swag box. The Sol de Janeiro, the Beige Fleur Elastic Cream, pattern leave-in conditioner, Function of Beauty for wavy hair, Briogeo Scalp Revival, Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. I do not have this. I'm growing my supplies of Makeup Forever, so this will be added to it. And I like playing with setting sprays, so we'll see how this goes. Amika Flash Instant Shine Mask. I do not have this either. Drunk Elephant. This is the Protini Polypeptide Cream. Yummy Skin from Denisa Myricks, the Glow Serum in Main Squeeze. So yeah, was the box worth it? Oh, heck yeah, it was worth it. You betcha. Here is the YSL Oil in Stick, the Rouge Volupte, shade 44. So this is the same shade as what I have, and I love this. And I got one from Tom Ford that I am in love with. And with the Sephora sale coming up, I think I'm going to get myself a full size of the Tom Ford. But I love this. This is going in back stock for later. Replica. This is the By the Fireplace. And I did get this with the, with the gold level. I got the set with 5 of these. So Replica By the Fireplace. Fable and Mane, the Smooth and Shine Hair Oil. Say Sun Glow. Sun Glow is too dark for me. Star Glow works for me, and I have, I think, 2 Star Glows, so I don't need any more, but that is just, it's too dark for me. So this goes in the gifting, and someone is going to be really happy. This is the Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask 2X with Super Volcanic Clusters. Say that 5 times fast. I do not have this yet, and I love masks, so yay, we'll have a mask night with everybody. NARS, this is in Dragon Girl. Dragon Girl's a little red for me. I do believe, though, this is Taylor Swift's color, and if that's the case, I have a friend who is a diehard Swiftie. So, it's that size. Fenty Skin, this is the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. Oh, okay, so this was at Sephoria. They were giving these away, but there were so many people at the booth, and Bert had to take a potty break. So I couldn't stop at the booth, and it killed me that I wasn't able to get one of these because I love Natasha Denona. She is one of my top 4 eyeshadows. So I'm glad I got it. So that is amazing, and I love it. And we'll try this out. We'll do a get ready with me type. I love Kilian too. So this is the Angel Share perfume, a little sample to try. K. Ali. I had not really tried this beforehand, and I've got some samples, and oh, I am in love. And again, Sephora sale's coming up. I might be getting some. This is the vanilla, and I love vanilla. It's my favorite scent. Here, Rare Beauty, Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer, which is awesome. Yay, I don't have this. I'm pretty sure I don't have this yet. So I get to try something new, which is good because I think I left with 4 of the Happy Blushes, and I had just got one in, so like everybody was getting a Happy Blush from me because I already have one, and they're gonna last forever. Tatcha, the Water Cream. And look at the size. Benefit Fan Fest Mascara. This, I'm working on a full-size one right now. Charlotte Tilbury, love Charlotte Tilbury. That's another one of my favorites. And then the other one's Patrick Ta. Oh, nice. Look at that size. What size is this? 15 ml, and this is the Magic Cream. Love her stuff. Dr. Dennis Gross, the Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. 3 treatments in here, so I get to try that out. Skin Fix Barrier Plus Triple Lipid Peptide Cream. I have, I think, 2 of the bigs on this, but, you know, little travel size, little purse sizes are always appreciated. Seeing if it had the fun spouty outy. It does not. Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Cream. K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. Caudalie Vino Perfect. I have 3 of these that I also got at Sephoria, so this will be number 4. Oh, I tried this. Love this scent. This is Love Shack Fancy Forever in Love. It smells so good. Tower 28. Yay! I go through these and I like to have them everywhere. So by my chair, by the couch, in the bathroom, in my purse, everywhere. Tower 28. Moroccan Oil Treatment.